A lot more activity could be showing up on Doppler radar into our Monday evening. It is great to have you along. I'm Chief Meteorologist Chris Vickers. Wet weather now rolling into the area, and something very interesting about these lines of showers. They do have some embedded higher wind gusts associated with that. We'll highlight that in a few moments, but the better risk of severe weather staying across southern Indiana and eventually is going to be working back into Illinois and central Indiana. Let me show you something very unusual that's occurring right now. There's an active cluster of severe thunderstorm warnings that extend from Kalamazoo, Michigan to Lansing, Michigan. But if you look at radar, you'd say, all right, I may not be a meteorologist if you're thinking this at home, but that doesn't look like a severe storm. It is not at this point. It is an area of some heavier rain. What's occurring, though, it's drawing down higher winds aloft to 60 miles per hour across parts of southern Michigan. So the National Weather Service actually has gone ahead and issued a severe thunderstorm warning up there toward Kalamazoo and Lansing due to widespread winds that could be reaching towards 60 miles per hour. Now, I highlight this. That's just out of our viewing area, but keep in mind, we could have similar situation. Hillsdale to Williams down into Defiance County. These are just rain showers. There's zero lightning, but they may whip up the winds, perhaps over 40 to 50 miles per hour, where we get some of that mixing in the atmosphere. Now, do a quick check. I don't see any of those winds right now, but it is a potential as we go now through the next several hours that some of those showers or even brief thunderstorms may pull some of the higher winds aloft down. Greater risk of severe weather, here's where it's going to be down towards St. Louis. A moderate level 4 out of 5 risk of severe weather, and this could even include some very large and significant tornadoes down in that area. We are not going to be expecting widespread severe weather in our area, but some gusty winds that will whip up. Better chance of that's going to be later this evening through about midnight, just ahead of this cold front. Front comes through tonight and tomorrow morning. A couple lingering morning rain showers, but Tuesday largely is going to be dry. Sunshine into the afternoon, and then into Wednesday, another batch of morning rain showers that will be out there early Wednesday morning, giving us yet more wet weather. Rain totals could reach an inch or more, especially south of Toledo, over the next 48 hours, where our highest rain totals could exceed an inch of total rain. Some gusty breezes tonight, rain and thunder, lows only near 60, highs into Tuesday. Pretty even across the board in the 60s. We're not going to see much deviation in the temperatures, but behind that cold front, it only turns cooler. Wednesday back into the upper 50s, mid 50s Thursday, and the slide continues late week. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, low 50s, with a chance we may be facing frost into the first weekend of May.